Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to empty trash on Android. So for this, you have to install an app which is called Files by Google. So first of all, go for your Play Store and search for Files by Google. Okay, here it is. So you have to download this Files by Google. After downloading this one, go for this app. Now you can see I have 1.9 GB in trash. So if I go for here in this arrow button, in this list, this is the trash option here. If I go for it, now I can delete all these things one by one, or otherwise just go for here all items and you can delete all these things. So if I just go for one or two things from here and just go for delete, or just go for all items and okay, and go for delete. So yeah, so this is how you can empty trash on Android. You can see it's done. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.